Another DIY with your girl Nicole Washington. This time I am remixing this Champion hoodie with these Girbaud jeans. So let's see what it looks like. I am so excited to show you guys the process because I'm obsessed with this set. So first we're going to take the Champion hoodie and we're going to cut it in half, and we're going to now take the bottom half to make the skirt. So the first thing you want to do is create the seam. I showed you this in my last video, but here we go again. You have to iron so you can create a good crease. Now we're sewing the seam line, and we're doing all of this so that we can create the drawstring. So here's the seam, and now we're going to cut a notch for a hole to put the drawstring in. I like to use sneaker laces. I just think it looks really cool. And here's the drawstring. I feel so satisfied when I create a drawstring. Now we're gonna add a zipper to the side. Well, to both sides. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm cutting up the sides so we can add the zipper. And I'm placing the zipper on the skirt to see where it's gonna go. And then I'm gonna sew right along. And so, you know, I didn't show where I sewed, sorry guys, but there you can see. Zippers. All right, now we're gonna go back to the Girbaud jeans, and I want to cut out these pockets to put on the front of the skirt. Now I'm gonna pin the pockets to the skirt so I can sew them. And I've sewn it. There you go. Now I have two fully functional pockets on the front of the skirt. So now we're going to remix the top. I added the drawstring. You can go back and see how I did it on the bottom, same exact way. And now we're going to cut the arms because I want to elongate the arms with denim. And so here I'm cutting the puffy side because I like that feature. And so I sewed on this part. I sewed the denim to the sweatshirt, and now I'm going to sew the bottom part of the sweatshirt on, and I'm going to put it in place, pin it so I can sew it. And now we have this super cool sweatshirt with long, puffy arms. I love long sleeves. All right, now we're getting to the fun part, which is painting the outfit. And I'm painting with bleach, y'all. I really love painting with bleach because, especially on blue, there's just something a little more organic about it because it doesn't sit on top like fabric paint does. And I just think it looks really cool. So here I am. I really like to paint organic lines and swirls and things like that. All right, so I'm so excited for you guys to see the finished process. Here it is. Yay! As you can see, I added a little more denim to the back of the skirt because it was a little bit short, but yeah, there you go. And I also added a pocket, which is also fully functional. There goes the puffy sleeves. I fucking love this. Excuse my language. I love this sweatshirt. And the Velcro straps from the jeans are still functional on the shirt. So cool. All right. Like, subscribe. I'll see y'all next time with something super dope.